08 Rincon Hill Tower, 425 First Street. This lovely condo comes over to the market with a sale tag of $1,298,000. The unit itself is a one-bedroom unit, so it has, as you can see, breathtaking views. So right there we see the Bay Bridge, and so let's go and take a look around the unit. And to see it, what you need to do is to contact who, Gustavo Lopez, 415-312-5017. Once again, 415-312-5017, or you can email me too, glopez@amsiemail.com. And so this is a lovely condo. Once again, $1,298,000. And it has a balcony, as we can see in here. And so definitely amazing views. Once again, Gustavo Lopez, 415-312-5017. Thank you.